Welcome to lenzVR. In this video, we're going to convert a 3D rendering from Autodesk Revit to lenzVR in real time using a lenzVR custom plugin. From Revit, you can start an auto-sync to lenzVR. You can see this process is fast and easy to use. You can see the VR rendering is already imported. You can control lenzVR with the keyboard and mouse. lenzVR auto-configures the VR environment. All that's left is to place the starting location for the VR player. When switched to VR mode, you can see the controller navigating through the VR rendering. This shows the VR headset's motion affecting the view of the VR rendering. This is an attempt to show inside the headset. It's a much more realistic experience when wearing on your head. Here you can see the VR controller in relation to the VR headset. lenzVR is an architectural and design VR software that quickly and easily converts ordinary 3D renderings to VR renderings. This helps architects and designers deliver unmatched excitement to their clients, while the clients become more confident in their builds. Please reach out to us for any questions. We'd love to help you.